So here's what we did today. One of our ranch trucks here had more wires hanging out the tires than we got showing on most of our fences. And here, a semi-easy task turned into something a little harder. One of the lug nuts locked up right at the end of the stud and was flexing the stud like it was going to break. I gave it a little love tap with a hammer and it knocked the stud out of the hub. So the fun began. So needless to say, since nobody local would have a stud for this truck, it's only got 5 now instead of 6. And if 5 won't hold it, 6 probably never would. We did today. One of our ranch trucks here had more wires hanging out the tires than we got showing on most of our fences, so decided it was time to make it safer. We got to looking on Evil Bay and everywhere else we could for tires, and finally found on Marketplace we found these for $200. They were mounted on Ford rims. These the Cooper Discoverers, which are good tires I actually wanted. And look how new they are. So what we'd had to do was have them put on our Chevy rims. We had 2 sets of rims that come with this truck, and we put them on the chrome ones, fancied it up a little bit. And we still have, out of that deal, that's probably going to cover the cost of our mounting and balancing, are these Ford rims. So we're going to sell these, post these on Facebook Marketplace. And we're going to sell these Ford rims and hopefully cover our mounting and balancing. If not, we're going to get close. I mean, they're good aluminum rims, late model rims, have the air pressure sensors on them. That's what we got. We also, this toolbox that I've had for about 15 years off of one of my old company trucks that I had with my business. I saved it and had it here at the camp, so put it on the old ranch truck. Have somewhere to throw some luggage and stuff when it's raining when we're going down the road. Anyway, still needs a washing and a detailing, but I think the old girl spruced up a little bit. Well, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets the glory for the good in our lives. Jesus Christ is our Lord and Savior. Feel free to reach out to us with any prayer requests or questions you may have at the email in the description below. God bless.